right, I'm back out here with my fire truck, my ladder truck, and as I said in the other video, I was one of the first 3 people to drive the front of this thing in 1975. It was a fire truck, and obviously in 75, but I drove the front, and it was in service until 2000. Then it was given to the Tampa Fire Museum, and they had 3 different groups of people that really good people, nothing bad about them, didn't know what they were doing, that were going to restore it. So what they did, they just started pulling stuff off. And as they pulled stuff off, each group, it got lost, which happens in a lot of restorations. So the truck sat for 2000, and I got it this year, to 2020. It sat outside 20 years. And the ladders were stole off of it, all kinds of stuff stole. So this thing is a monster, and to get it running, get the ladder back working, I don't think monetarily it's not worth it. I can't afford to do it. So I've been watching it for a while, and I got to thinking about it. You know, I could come back here and cut this Tillerman seat off and just take it completely off, and then have somebody come out here and start chopping this up into pieces, cutting it up, and then all the way down, scrap metal. There's probably, my guesstimation, 3,000 to 4,000 pounds of scrap iron on this thing. Come all the way up here to the turntable, take the turntable off, take the box off, this box right here, and then just have the bed, which would go right back, build a thing that comes up similar to this, and put the Tillerman seat here, and it would be connected to the main body. So I would have from about here to the front, then I can put it inside, then I can restore it. I haven't got to go back to original. And then put the fenders on that, put the roof on it, paint it, and it wouldn't be a big deal. But the way it is now, this is just terrible to redo. So my game plan today is, if I can find somebody to cut this thing up for the scrap, to make the front end, and put the Tillerman seat here with the turret someplace up here also, where it would look like a fire truck. You'd know what it is, and drive it, because the truck runs fine. It's just this.
That's a lot to do, Fred.
Yes, this, if I can get somebody to cut it up and get the ladder part off of it, I'm thinking about doing that. And I don't know what kind of response I'd get back on it, what people, purists, would go freaking nuts. But it's beyond restoration. If they will send me money to do it, I will restore the whole thing. But this thing would cost, to do it right, probably $20,000 to $30,000.
Oh boy.
Yeah, and you can't use it.
Yeah.
The way it is. Where if I had something that was just about this long, all the way to the front, it's usable, because this, I've never measured it, is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 21 foot. And there's some ballpark.
Yeah.
There's some stuff out. Monte Carlos, I think, were 19, Cadillacs were 20. So it would be streetable then.
Yeah.
So that's a game plan. I don't know if it's going to happen or not.